Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond BTech. This is Sai and I am on a mission to bring you high value, life changing career content for all the engineering students across India. And today I am bringing you an exclusive update straight from Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0. And that's the official inaugural invitation from Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0. Batch 1 is here. And whether you selected for batch 1 or any other batch, then this video is for you. I will walk you through every single detail in the onboarding mail, so don't skip this video, you might miss something important. Firstly, let's look at the main highlight from the mail. It's an invitation to join the inauguration of Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0 Batch 1, and the onboarding is happening on August 6, 2025 from 4:30 pm to 5:15 pm IST. So this is a virtual session on Webex, so you will need to join the meeting using the link from the Infosys Springboard 6.0. This mail includes a clear agenda, meeting link, password and meeting number, all of which I will explain in this video. Let's break down the meeting details so you don't miss it. Firstly, the onboarding date is August 6 and 2025 and the timing is between 4:30 pm to 5:15 pm, and this is a 45 minutes onboarding session, so mark your calendars. And there's a clickable link provided in the mail. I strongly recommend you to test the link in advance to make sure your Webex work properly. And there will be a meeting password. Note that if you dial in phone or video system, you might need to enter a number which is available in the mail, so go and check it. There also mentioned a meeting number. This will be useful if you are joining manually from the Webex app. And this is the most important part, the onboarding agenda. Infosys has planned a detailed session to get you started into it. Firstly, welcoming and onboarding remarks. It means you will hear from Infosys official to kick things off. And next comes the keynote address and launch for Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0. Here you can expect inspiring words about the internship program and what to look forward to. And then they will tell you about the Infosys Springboard internships will empower your career aspiration. This segment will give you an overview of how the internship will shape your future and career goals. And then comes the coding ethics and intellectual property and social media. Here they will tell you the do's and don'ts, and this is critical. Infosys will lay down guidelines on professional behavior, IP rights, and what you can share in offline or online. And briefing of Schedulo, the daily stand-up call meeting platform. It's the daily stand-up call meeting platform. Infosys uses a platform called Schedulo for daily stand-ups, and you will get a detailed brief on how to use it and stay track on during your internship. And then comes the ask away, get your doubts notified. It means get your doubts clarified. Question and answer session. You will clarify your doubts in this. Don't miss this chance to ask any questions or doubts about this internship in this session. And here's a crucial note directly from the mail. This onboarding is especially mentioned for batch 1 interns only. If you are selected for latter batches or any other batches, Infosys will notify you separately with your own onboarding schedule close to your internship date. So don't worry if you have not received the mail yet. And if you have any question about the Infosys Springboard, directly contact the springboard-support@infosys.com, and don't hesitate to reach out if you face any issues with joining or scheduling conflicts or doubts about this internship process. And here are the quick tips from me to make most of your onboarding session. Firstly, join 10 to 15 minutes early because technical errors can pop up at any time. So if you have joined earlier, then you will not get any problem while joining the session. Participate in the question and answer session. Don't be shy to clear your doubts. This is the moment to set yourself up for the success. And that wraps up the complete Infosys Springboard Internship 6.0 onboarding mail. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Beyond BTech so you never miss any update from me. And drop your questions or experience in the comments. I would love to hear how your onboarding goes. And good luck with this internship. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and keep going. This is Sahi signing off.